Welcome to this session. In this session, we are going to learn how to create a personal website for ourselves. So let's get started by writing our prompt into the prompt window. So I want to create a personal website that has an About Me section, my profile picture, link to my socials, and a contact form. There you go. Now I want to tell it how I want the website to look. So I'm going to say I want the website to have a minimal design with some animations. There you go. So in this prompt, we first defined what we want, and then in the second half, we defined how we want it to look. Next, we are going to click the Improve Prompt button that's going to take this prompt and improve it even further before the system takes it and builds this website. So there you go. As we clicked on Improve Prompt, what you see is it took our definition and expanded it and broke it down into different tasks. The first half is what you want the website to have, and then the second half is the UI and style, which is how you want the website to look. So let's go ahead and click the Start Building button. This is where the magic happens. There you go. So it has started thinking. I'm going to move this right here. It's thinking how it wants to approach this problem. It's going to break it down into pieces and tell you its plan very shortly. What you'll see is this window is going to move towards the left, and then you will have the progress that it's going to make on the right. So there you go. It has understood the task, and it's saying, I will help you create a minimalistic website using Flask. We'll focus on creating a clean, elegant design with subtle animations. The site will have all the requested sections. So it looks like it understood exactly what we wanted. And now it's recommending some other things that we can add to our website, but we'll worry about that later. For now, we're going to accept this plan and let it do its thing and click on this Approve Plan and Start. There you go. So now what you see is the instructions have moved to the left, and then the progress of what it's going to do is going to happen on the right side. So what you see here is creating a bunch of code that you don't have to worry about. It's going to take care of everything, and it's going to produce the first version of the website. As you noticed, we did not provide it a Twitter link or a profile picture, so it does not know how to get that. So that will be our next step. But the first version will be MVP, which will have the structure that we asked for in the initial prompt. There you go. It has created an app.python file. It has created an index.html. It has created a CSS file. Again, if you understand that, great. If not, you don't have to worry about that. It's taking care of everything that it needs to do to build this website. Looks like it's installing the dependencies, and it's deploying it, which is it's putting it on the server to make the website run. And we're going to see what it produces as the first result. Very exciting. Looks like it did it. There you go. And our website, the first version of our website is ready. If you see, it has created a website which has a name, a short title, an About Me section, link to socials, and a contact form, exactly how it described it. And you can always click on the New Tab button to actually see this in the browser directly. So you can see, you can interact with this with the first version of the website. But as I said earlier, it does not have the links. It does not have my profile picture. So let's go ahead and update that. So let's move back into our prompt window. It says, how do you find the website's design, typography, and animations? Are they elegant and smooth as intended? If everything looked good, I can start working on a new feature. So that's what we're going to tell it. Everything looks great, so that it has the feedback for the work it did. And then next, we are going to provide the files like my profile picture, like I said. Update the profile picture with the attached picture. So we're going to attach it. We're going to click right here and click on attach files. I'm going to select my picture and provide that, and then update my Twitter link to my Twitter profile. So let's see what it does. We have told it that everything looks great. We want to update the profile picture and update our Twitter link, and let's go. It's thinking again. It's going to again build a plan and very quickly on the right side show the output of the work it's going to do. It's considering options of how it wants to store the file, probably in the right folder and stuff, and update the link. Looks like it did that, and it's going to update the version 1 of our website to version 2. There you go. It's still not produced the final result, but it's showing its work, and you can see the picture has got updated, and there you go. That's the website with my picture now. Of course, not my name yet. An about me section. Link. Let's click on Twitter. There you go. The Twitter link works. And then there's the contact form. Let's go ahead and give it the last task and update my name and my title. So looks good. Let's give it feedback for the work it did, and then update the name to say Anshul Dhawan, and then update the title to say software developer. There you go. And then we're going to do click the same button and allow it to update the two things that we just asked it to do. It's going to take a few moments, and again do the thinking on the left hand side and then the work, the output on the right hand side. And this is going to be our last task, and we'll have our website ready. Looks like it's ready, and there you go. It updated my name. Now it has my profile picture, my name, my title, it has an about me section which I haven't updated yet. It has a link to my Twitter. I haven't given it LinkedIn and my GitHub, and then it has a Git contact form. So that's our first website. Let's give it a task and say finish the tasks. It's all good. There you go. So we give it the final feedback that the project, I'm happy with the project. Of course, you can keep improving it and add more functionality to your website. But for the purposes of this section, I'm going to tell it that it's good. It's going to deploy it, as you see, to a temporary place for now. You can open the deployments, which we'll cover later, to have it linked to your actual domain name. We'll cover that later. And next, you can actually continue building, as I said, with the agent, or you can switch to assistant and ask other questions on how small tasks can be achieved. We'll cover all that later, but for now, that's about it for this session. Don't forget to sign up for Build with AI Club if you haven't already. The link is going to be in the description. But if you have already, get ready for the next few sessions. Thank you.